can't read it now, but and the chip a lick.
What's bad man I kill him? I'm always great. A blessing and luck. Me meet him great. The blood clot grape I add pan him. I'm supposed to add grape and blood clot him. Cause grape nature, natural. No can't grape.
Hey
I
girl,
got
you bright, you brighty. But me not have a house. You bright not hey. You like a part of place.
Tell her how much house you have.
That yes, some big pussy girl live a foreign.
Tell her how much house you have. Move with the blood clot.
Some only live a foreign all long. And not even renting out here. Catch you not. When I say catch, who not live like a bird we fly out tree and fly out, but I don't live nowhere. Member good no man. Member good. Member. There's enough how now check it off in the mouth again. Brother, remember good. There's
Well, I know blood clot house of my one time my queen.
Well, I know we take a plane. I call you rent the car to do Uber Heat. Okay? And Uber. Alright? Be nice, be good. And stop going like you're done.
Pierce shit him time, but you have to watch him.
When you say be a shit nature, anybody say be a shit nature. Other big no name girl like say that a while. Like people them love how me a class. You don't know.
I mean class or dirty blood
People
clot.
them
Shit
I when them know your name, woman, them know who you is. Shit fun. From them hear me say shit fun, them typically know I'm talking to you. Shit up, shit fun place. Want everything when name shit I use that.
I true. Enough of them live like dog in a farm for
but
true. Do
like
just
right
got blood clot
right
fan and him comfortable in a 3-bedroom house so him name the pan.
Right now, you have time I tell them? You know, I have no time I tell them because at the end of a good day, I sleep comfortable every night. Some girl, this is a 1 o'clock, them they on live till about 3 o'clock one night. Yeah. You understand? You get me? And I chew you make them do that. Some girl can't trust me. Them can't trust me. Girl, back up, man. When you need a front fender here, the front fender one got garage. Mechanic one, check it out.
Him nah kiss you though. Him nah kiss me. The worst I now getting a blood clot kiss from him. You could have deal. Royalty. You eat your blood clot self. Before do eat me, you eat yourself first.
Yeah, you know, stop say that, man. Counteract what them say. Them say me eat you. Seem to tell them, oh, my husband love me.
Oh, my husband love me.
They did that talking that.
Alright, may I go start delete some now. Now get too bright. Right. Me 14, 15, 16 and blood clot 19 yo.
Alright.
Nice international marriage. Don't delete them. Let them watch me, Yankee. True. Let them watch the success.
I mean, them a watch, you know.
But then watch me and my husband turn against them blood clot. Do I love you? Sweet me, you come back to me, say, Ozzy.
Yeah, show you playing for the road.
Sweet me and prove the whole of them blood clot and I share them.
Move me and move around. Some of them can.
One blood clot queen. Moving the blood clot to the voice note. When I get man to dress up like blood clot girl with lipstick and I go in at people them for create blood clot problem for carry down people. Move on and happy sad blood clot in the life sad like funeral.
Yes, the one day.
Oh, I'm playing come.
That's not my feet at all.
Them for leave my husband for true. Them two blood clot bad man. Me hear them a baller. Me can't believe they do it tampering her jaw and then throat her jaw. She go back for better, for blood clot worse. And my husband, I'm alone, can't get that chance. Come give me him name. Yeah, for better, son who name real blood clot wife in this. And at Atlanta airport him there. Grand guest.
One from there. Oh, no. You can't know me, the man. You hear that?
Him look like an old man, so I'm to that in have life. You young and you sad over here. You have a life sad like blood clot funeral. For better, for blood clot worse. Tell them Malian.
Hey, girl, go buy one of them tickets and come talk back.
Yeah, go buy a ticket, girl.
Go buy a ticket and come back.
Catching a spirit and go buy a ticket. Catch blood clot flight and not feelings.
And not feelings. I make sure them gear. The seat. You hear? You see?
Yeah. Yeah,
Hear
that. Check in.
Okay.
Them know me go cuss them blood clot for my husband. Them know me don't know them a go like them shock for. Icon new foot. Hello, new foot icon.
Hey, shit fun girl every day you wake you have to call me and my wife. One call it. Yeah? Hey, the more you call it, the more we go up in the ear. You know that.
And the more we prosper, the queen reign. The queen and the king. Long live Queen Lady Gangster and her husband, Mr. and Mistress Scarlett. Do a song there.
Attention terminal, check your belongings.
We still a take blood clots. Do we live life? Life. We don't want to fly no blood clot first class. Plane reach the same time. Same time plane reach.
I live America. I have house over here. You hear that? Dewey much. You see me? And I never know a Batman friend them. Do this. You hear? I mean, I have to talk to who do it. Because all who do it and play a party night know themselves. I have to brag and boast over here.
Come, puppy.
Come.
Eat and be merry. Come, puppy.
Them do over here right now. Want some fries? I can help you out with some fries. Because I mean some losing work. I'm going to some fries. You see them there? Want them? And I give you them say that they're not for you. They're for the puppies. They can't stop that. The day them live for people there.
Watch out, you're glad you see boarding pass. Move your blood clot.
They can't stop that. All when they see them
Fly
can't
to
stop
tech.
They can't stop me from going on the plane. Sorry.
Move on a blood clot.
Try again. Walk it up it.
Watch my handsome husband or my husband handsome. Go get in a spirit and buy a blood clot cheap ticket and that you for the power couple, power marriage, power life for stay. Move on up dirty blood clot.
Oh, let me clear up that kiss. They will not. Momo never kiss me. I hate that. He kiss the hairs on my face. Yeah? No that. You see me? In a not girl we shit. We take shit can't kiss. You mad? No time. That the grounds in them and not take.
Any kiss.
I say any boy we fuck she. Hey boy, y'all you shit up too.
One power couple. Man, we are the bestest blood clot legal couple.
Any
move
boy
the
we fuck
blood
that shit.
clot.
Any boy we fuck that shit fun girl. Always remember me. I tell you, if me see you in a person, I go tell you straight. You're not too shit fun. You know that.
Them condemn wanna do that, I wanna shit fun.
Yeah man, wanna water shit. You know that.
Move your blood clot. And a grudge do it for him wife. And a grudge me for do it. Well, legal couple. Legal couple. Move on a blood clot. Bad man are killing a dirty blood clot. Wish you both happiness. Thank you. Same so do it. Don't answer. Yeah. Them bad man move on a blood clot. Do it run past at the wall out now.
Tell pussy them move around. See them a try move around and still can't move around. So when they not move around, don't move around in a people them place because them come back and tell me.
Love
Yes,
sign.
that they tell me. Get in a one place, a matter of fact, rent a house, rent a one room.
One
Yes.
queen.
Yeah. If you even rent a one room and just come on the internet and move around, you give people them a different way. Call it now. Content. You understand? People start look for you better. You look on the internet and sit down in a car. But I true me in a car. When you want shit, away you go. That's why make man shit me out paying.
Move your blood clot. Live and don't accept no disrespect. Cause you can't stop life. And you can't stop problems. So you don't live with no disrespect. Never. Good luck to you. I wish you all the best. Low blood clot me. My life can't be your life. And me can't be you. Do is my husband. Not no blood clot husband. Do it! Talk truth, do it, talk truth. You know lie my tell. I true my talk.
Oh. I feel them in mind see more them talk the more the thing elevate. So why me if you tell them to stop talk? Keep on talking, darling. I love it. You think you make me not get a night's sleep?
Bless up yourself.
Night better sleep. You know that the phone on charge.
If it big up yourself, do ya bless you. When me saw you blew up and turn superstar and famous and from one UK visa to Canada visa to America visa, you still a do it. Today America you take plane same way.
Yeah, man.
Same blood clot way. Move your blood clot, Ontario. Your poopa cocky shit up. Shit up on your poopa cocky. Move your blood clot with a shit up cocky father. Your father cocky shit up girl. I'm desperate, so I'm to blood clot that Tony, and I need to get somebody for desperate over. Do his mine. Do his blood clot, man. So I'm desperate for what is mine. Belch off of my chest and nasty wretch. Hold that. Sorry to my true royal crazy. It's my bad. That's pretty nice. Do it.
Mm-hmm.
I love you. Do it.
Oh,
I love you.
I love this too, you know, hear me?
No, I never hear a baby. That's why I shout you. Because I want you say it loud. Yeah.
I said it loud.
Guess us. Yeah, we use the money and buy plane ticket. That's why I guess I fool me. You want me to get another dimple? Simple. Simple.
Tell him to love you.
My husband son not allow me alone.
Love you like no.
Right above that dimple there. I said it for go. Papi sure. We are papi sure for each other, not for no. We switch guns on a dirty blood clot and stick together.
Off the topic.
Sure.
What's the topic? Okay. What's the topic?
I want over your dirty blood clot. Are you next for my list, Annie? Annie, are you more over next? Yeah, over either. Wait till I catch your dirty blood clot pussy tongue. He was a supporter. Come off of this blood clot past tense. We are talking about now.
Yeah,
Move
man,
your blood I got
Black,
over
black,
your dirty
black,
blood clot. If you was a supporter, the way you do over here, the back and belly blood clot, right enough for over here.
I forget
So
blood.
ball and Anthony, man, my black you. I have to come back for your next page. Type again, make my black you. Can't remember what you just said. Type back something, make my black you now. Fair blood clot, fair. Let me show you who for blood clot TV this. Type again, make me sure you have to come back for your next page. Type my bumble wall, thinking blood clot. Your ears stink. Type. And your dirty blood clot, yo. Nice. I like how you bad. Beer blood clot, but this after that. Next. Who
Yes, it's the
next?
type again too.
Yes, you
That's what you
bad. Who blood clot next? Come back with your fake page. Let me show you who name Queen Blood Clot Lady Gangster.
I don't
I
remember.
brush my teeth. Foolishness. Eat that cussing them there. Tudum, tudum, tudum. Who remember that video? Tudum, tudum.
Pink Panther.
Tudum, 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 tudum.
No.
You're black cause you can't manage to eat. All right, you gone to. You're second one. Next.
Next.
I'm afraid of you.
Different
Confirm.
object.
Who
Different
next?
object.
Under
Same treatment.
construction, normal. Who next? Two
Different
gone.
of different
Let me
object.
see how
Same
bad in a
treatment.
blood clot is. My tongue white. You gone. Move your blood clot. Come off of this. Black.
Same new profile and come over here again.
Three gone. Three done. Who else wanna go? Move on a dirty blood clot. And come sniff out my bitter ears. Come sniff out in my bitter ears. Queenie, I will scream. Scream number one right there. Ah! If you laugh, you pop. Don't blood clot pop over this. Because I will pop you up. Happy wife, happy life. Thank you. You better shut up before you get black. Thank you. Pixie, what, my girl? Hello, Pixie. Black 87 something on there. I not see them yet. Make them type. I say, come to rush me no bomber wall and come rush me. 6 tomorrow like your mama pussy tongue. Wait, I'm not ready for black yet. Talk again. I'm not ready for it. Suck whatever. 6 tomorrow. Talk, type again. Me get like a bring in. Queen of them grudge because them no have no man. That's true. Them have to walk and fuck today with one man and wait till the next man ready. In mean my blood clot, but I sit down and wait for my blood clot husband and put my in my fat front and feel up my pussy and say, do we move on a blood clot? Wriggle me diggle, wriggle me that. Guess me this wriggle on a fuck like fuck it truck. Move on a dirty blood clot. I want to call out my name. Good God, Johnny Scarlett. Thank you. Best of the best queen. Thank you. Black Party keep. No wonder unhappy. No wonder they unhappy. They are unhappy responding from Atlanta that royal family. Thank you now. Me so blood clot bad now. Me trying to sound off and name the book out of my blood clot nose. I bet you say fair. Say blood clot fair. Me sure know who a bad blood clot girl. Scarlets. All over with the Scarlet. Type Scarlets. Type Scarlet, please, and thanks. And I'm moving the blood clot. Power to the Scarlets.
You know, I see comment them.
You know, see the comment them. Go out and come in back, baby. Power to the Scarlet. Power to the Scarlet. Team quitting. Team quit now. Anybody want to quit and come out of this blood clot and care about what I do already. I set blood clot foundation and trend. Scarlet, thank you.
Wally more said.
Scarlett, thank you. Lovely. Yes, Scarlett, thank you very much, Progressive. Queen Wave, thank you. Suck your mother, Queen. All right, baby. I'm not black you. Go and talk. That alone, you said, me a bad, you fuck. You're bad, me not. Me like how you're bad. Me not black your classmate. You get to it. And my mother, I'm supposed to suck her. Come on, classmate, yeah. Big up on the damn self. Power, Scarlet. Power to this. Power to. There is power to Scarlet, Queen and Dewey. There is power. Big up, Scarlet. Thank you. Power. Power. I would just tell me something, mother. Class me again. Power. You get you for class me. The rest of them get black. I like how you say it. sit them down because them talk about you guys. Eat, love you, my queen and king. Thank you, Penny. Thank you for that. Scarlett, Black Kimber, Kim Bless.